Big fan of laser pointers. We take them out camping all the time. We like to have everybody to have their own so we can point at things. That's what they're for, I suppose. And just to have fun, laser fights and that kind of thing. So I'm always looking for one that's rechargeable instead of one that's going to take batteries. And this one is different because it has a USB recharging port right on the back here. So this way the batteries are in it, but I can recharge it real easily. Looks like the button has a little clip on it. That's always nice, so when you put it in a bag or something, it's not going to accidentally go on. It has a diffuser. When we turn it on here and spin that diffuser, it's going to be like a little kaleidoscope effect. These look so neat against trees and that kind of stuff when you're out camping. I bet you we can unscrew that whole diffuser from the front of the housing here, and what we'll end up with is the standard laser pointer then. And give it a little spin. Just got to get a good grip on the diffuser there. And that came out. And then when you bump it, you get actual laser pointer. This is a real powerful one. Satisfied. Hope this helps.